The field of additive manufacturing is growing significantly in the medical sector. The concern is, are there enough highly skilled professionals to meet that need? Here at Clarkson College, we've met that need. We've created a curriculum based on industry knowledge, and we are the first in the nation to have this type of degree. And the benefits of having structured education in such a highly skilled area is that you're not using the train-the-trainer concept of teaching professionals where you may lose skills or concepts along the way in that training. The other benefit is so that we discuss regulations and quality management, making sure that the medical devices that are 3D printed are safe for our patients. If you're interested in this field, be sure to check out our medical 3D printing and visualization specialist certificate.